Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this flower step by step. What we need for today's tutorial are 3mm hook, scissors, pin if you are a beginner, 8-ply yarn, and pick whatever color you want. Let's make a magic circle. Pull the yarn over, chain 1. So now we make 1 single crochet, pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn back. That's 1 half finished double crochet. Make another 1 half finished double crochet. And third half finished double crochet. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn over 4 loops. Chain 3. Just made 3 double crochet bobble, chain 3. That's 1 set. We need to make another 4 set. We're going to make another 3 double crochet bobble, chain 3. The rest of the round we're moving faster because it literally just repeating. 3 double crochet bobble, chain 3. The 4th 3 double crochet bobble, chain 3. The 5th bobble, chain 3, and snip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. We're going to change the other color for second round. Make 1 front post single crochet, turn a bobble stitch from last round, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 1 3 double crochet bobble from the chain space. And chain 3, make a 1 front post single crochet to the bobble, the following bobble. Chain 3, make a 1 3 double crochet bobble from the chain area. You can crochet with those ends, or you can just leave it in within it when you finish. Chain 3, 1 front post single crochet, chain 3, 1 bobble, chain 3, 1 front post single crochet, chain 3, 1 bobble, 3 double crochet bobble, chain 3, 1 front post single crochet, chain 3, 1 bobble, and chain 3, snip stitch to the first stitch, which is front post single crochet stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn. Changing color for this round, insert the hook to the front post single crochet stitch. This is where you insert the hook, pull the yarn over, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet on top of the bobble, which is bobble stitch, chain 4, snip stitch to the front post single crochet stitch, snip stitch, chain 4, 1 single crochet for the bubble stitch. I'm hiding the end at the same time. Chain 4, snip stitch to the front post single crochet stitch. So we are just going to repeat the pattern. Chain 4, 1 single crochet, chain 4, snip stitch, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, snip stitch, chain 4, 1 single crochet, chain 4, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1, cut the yarn. Now we turn it over with the ends. I just need to tie these two and hide it. Cut the rest of the yarn off. And this is how you crochet this flower step by step. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.